Do you want to easily test your project over different conditions? A job matrix might be the answer. A job matrix, also known as a build matrix, takes variables and values as inputs and creates parallel jobs with all the possible permutations. They can be used to test your application over various versions of a runtime, different database backends, or different environments. To create a job matrix on Semaphore, open the workflow editor, create a new block, open the how many parallel instances to run, and select multiple instances based on a matrix. Now I can add environment variables and its values. We can define multiple values separated by commas. For example, I can define a variable called node version and set the version to 3 values. As you can see, I now have 3 jobs, one for each value of the variable. Now I can use the value in the job as a regular environment variable. For example, I can use send version to activate the node version in the variable and then run the test command. And I'm not limited to one variable in my matrix. I can have as many as I want. For example, I can add a DB backend variable for MySQL and Postgres. Then I can start the database backend using send service start with the value as a placeholder. And now, when I run the workflow, I have 6 jobs running in parallel, one for each permutation. A job matrix is the easy way to run the same job under different conditions. Use them to simplify your pipeline, expand the scope of your test, and detect regressions. If you have any questions, drop a comment and don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.